Hey, we're Bad Honey Bun Games. This post is sponsored by Oculus. Thank you for the free dev kit. None of this is possible without you. Now, for the unboxing!
Unboxing!
Today, we are unboxing a special gift from the Oculus Start team. Thank you very much for sending us these. Let's see what we have today. Ready? And the first thing we got green plastic. I love this. We have an Oculus Go.
Check.
Two Oculus, check.
Cheers.
We got a pen.
Whatever this thing is.
Yes. Cheers.
Oh, I almost lost it.
Oculus drink cups. We have notebook. And we got hoodie. Awesome hoodie. Oh, that's dope. It has like goggles with the Oculus Rift headset. Some birds right there.
Someone playing a game. Alright, what else did they send us?
Big bucks. Right here. Oculus, thank you very much. You're helping out the team very much. Bigly. It's going to help the team so much more. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.